Now that the first case of the Omicron variant of COVID-19 has been reported in the United States earlier today in California, the Tulsa Health Department says it wouldn't be surprised to see it soon in Oklahoma. They say Omicron is highly contagious, but there's still a lot about it that we don't know. News on 6's Jordan Tidwell is live with the very fast-moving details for us tonight.
Brian, the Tulsa Health Department says the Omicron variant is so new, they are still researching how serious the symptoms could be and how effective current vaccines are. The first case of the Omicron variant in the U.S. was confirmed today in California, and the Tulsa Health Department says it's only a matter of time before it makes its way to Oklahoma.
We know how highly transmissible it is. We know how fast it moves, so it shouldn't be a surprise to anyone that it could possibly be in Oklahoma already.
Dr. Bruce Dart with the Tulsa Health Department says the state is prepared to test for the variant. He says scientists are still learning more about Omicron, and it's unknown what its effects could be.
You know, the last thing we want to see is more people exposed and infected because we don't know so much about it yet, and it's best not to have to have a case and have to deal with it.
Dart says with the upcoming holiday season, there is concern that COVID-19 could spread as people gather. Clinical Services Manager Ellen Nematello says that's one of the reasons it's important to get vaccinated and receive a booster shot and continue to take precautions against the virus.
People are really tired of this, and a little bit more complacency where people don't want to take those approaches and do the measures that we know are going to be effective.
Dart says viruses change and adapt to stay active, so we can expect to see more variants of COVID-19 in the future.
And that's why having more people vaccinated to prevent viral replication and possibility of mutations is so important.
And he says you need to get tested if you feel sick because that helps those in public health track and identify different variants. Live in Tulsa, Jordan Tidwell, Oklahoma Zone, News on 6.